Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be changing out the fairing on the Dyna. So we're going to take the mounting points off of this first and then attach that on the bike. So my bike was originally a top mounted, but the previous owner did drill a hole in here and put a bracket. So what we're going to actually do is take off this headlight and then unscrew these two bolts right here so that we can put the mounting hardware on. So the shield came with these two washers. We're just gonna shove them into here. So this is what I've put together. I don't know if this is how it's supposed to be or not, because there's no instructions, but so from what I can tell is a long bolt with the washer comes through here and it'll connect from up front. So this is how I end up doing the brackets. You can tell that once the motor gadget thing was gone, it's so much nicer. I chopped off the other part and I kind of just velcroed it right here for now until I figure out how to mount that.